mopping, plus much, much more. Go to Cricut.com/news today.
If you missed Black Friday, don't miss this. Ashley Furniture Home Store announces the greatest 36-hour sale in our history. 36-hour deals store-wide. Don't wait another minute. 36-hour deals absolutely end Monday night at Ashley Furniture Home Store.
Is keeping your floors clean a constant struggle? Now, Mint's automatic floor cleaner does the sweeping and mopping for you. Simply attach a weather dry cleaning cloth, such as Swiffer brand. Then press run, and you're done. Mint thoroughly sweeps up dirt. It cleans baseboards and corners, and easily mops and dries. With Mint, your floors are always clean, automatically, and customers love it.
The convenience of just pressing a button and having it go while I'm gone is wonderful.
Available at Target and other fine stores.
Not a better dog in the world for me. We're building a deluxe downstairs den for the Zancy family, complete with an off-the-wall Murphy bed, a throw-the-wall aquarium, and an
Are you drawing pictures?
everything is looking up. Until lighting
Are you drawing or are you writing a letter?
are a bit deeper than they were expecting, and that means the whole lighting plan.
These ceiling panels go a lot. The way the lights are going to go. We can't use
Did you draw a bee?
We could turn them all upside down.
No. Yes? No. I think I see a bee.
We've got to go either in between the joist and
No bee.
just the right height. We can measure back down off the ceiling
Let me see.
and subtract the light height.
Let me see.
Wonderful on light.
Where? Bee? That's a bee? Let me see. Is that a bee?
Yes.
Is it a bumblebee? Or the letter B? Yes, it's a bee, yes. Yeah, kinda. Yeah. That's a bee?
Yes.
Bee.
Bee? Bee. That's a bee. I see a bee. Did you draw that?
He did it. And that's a bee too, Daddy. Everything's a bee.
No. Right there?
Where's the A? Right there? You drawing an A? A. You say A. Oh, Daddy erased it. You erase it more. Ball? You drawing a ball? Your hat? It's a hat?
Is that a hat?
Yes.
Hat.
What else you draw? That's what? Each?
Fish?
It's a fish?
Is that a fish?
Yes?
Yes. What is that? Another fish?
Circle? What is that? Ball?
Circle?
Your shapes are over there on the floor where you were sitting before.
Yes, those are over there.